This is Joe from YoChicago.com. I'm in Lincoln Park at Park Lincoln by Reside, standing on a 14th floor balcony looking south toward the skyline, panning west over Oz Park, looking out to the new Lincoln Common development on the side of the old Children's Hospital, and then panning around to the north. Just a short block from the park itself here, and on a miles-long strip of great bars, restaurants, nightlife, one-of-a-kind, and big-box shops. Let's head inside for a walk through a one-bedroom apartment. You have a nice-sized living dining area here. You're looking at the wide plank flooring that extends throughout the unit. As you enter the unit, there's a nook that's perfect for a hall console table, coat closet, and shelving. Looking into the kitchen, you have good cabinet and counter space, granite countertops, an undermount sink, stainless steel appliance package that includes a dishwasher and a built-in microwave, and you have a pantry cabinet for additional storage. Panning around, you're seeing this great brick wall that adds some character to the unit, and we're facing west here, so you're going to have a great view of the dazzling sunset in Chicago. There's an in-unit washer-dryer, a fresh, nicely updated bath with a nice-sized vanity that has a bank of drawers for storage, and then heading into the bedroom, which has a wide wall of windows, air conditioning unit, that view out to the west, and a wide closet. Park Lincoln by Reside has a rooftop sun deck, fitness room. When you look at the entire package here and try to match it, you're going to find almost nothing in Lincoln Park to rival it. You really owe it to yourself to put Park Lincoln by Reside on your must-see list when you want to live in Lincoln Park. Head to the building's website to see floor plans and near real-time rent and availability info.